Nice view?
Sorry?
I'm just wondering if you can get all of that, whether you'd like me to move for you.
What are you talking about, darling?
You are so pathetic.
Oh, good God.
Yeah, isn't he?
She should be careful.
What, in case some pervy man were to stare at her pants?
Well, yeah.
Yeah. I saw you.
Saw me what?
Staring at her. Staring at her pants.
That's ridiculous.
She's very beautiful.
Do you think?
Yeah. Young, pert. And what is it you and your mate say?
About what?
Stomach like a snare drum?
We don't say that.
Right. So what were you looking at then? Because I saw you.
Oh, that. Oh God, did you think? Oh, that's funny. No, it was her book.
Oh right, her book.
Yeah.
Right. And what book would that be then?
L'étranger.
L'étranger.
Yeah.
You know it, do you?
Oh, it's seminal.
Albert Camus, unless I'm mistaken.
It is, yeah. It made quite an impact on me as a teenager.
Really?
Oh, Camus. Yeah, that book changed my life. Oh, I noticed she was reading it and thought, well, you don't see it about that often.
So what's it about then?
Sorry?
Well, this book that changed your life, what's it about?
Oh, I'm not going to get into that now.
Oh, come on. The book that changed my husband's life, I should know about. Oh, go on. You know I love a good story.
Well, you know, it's French. About a man who is an étranger.
Right.
A stranger,
yeah.
Basically. Anyway, he goes on quite an adventure. You know, new man in town, the locals are difficult to break.
Mm-hmm.
He starts off as a stranger, and through a series of beautifully crafted events, he eventually becomes accepted as the new sheriff.
Sheriff?
Yeah, it's kind of like a French Western.
Oh, that does sound life-changing.
Yeah, it was. Molly, what are you...
I'm so sorry to disturb you, but I was just wondering if you could help me.
Of course.
Molly, I really think we should leave this young lady alone.
No, it's okay. She doesn't mind, do you?
No, I don't mind.
Well, all the same,
Look,
I'm sure...
what can I do for you?
I just couldn't help noticing the book you're reading.
Really? L'étranger.
Wait.
It's truly a wonderful piece of writing.
Well, do you know what? My husband was just saying so.
Really? You know it?
Well, yeah, I mean, I read it a few years ago.
Isn't Mercer an extraordinary character? His inability to lie and his ability to live so much in the present. Amazing creation.
Yeah.
And still, he ends up sheriff.
Sorry?
Jesus.
No, I was just saying, isn't it remarkable that he can be so truthful and still wind up as sheriff of the town?
Molly.
I mean, he just clears up that town, don't he?
I think you may have the book a little confused.
Oh, really?
Well, yes. This is a book about the fundamental existential crisis of a man unable to live under the restrictions that society imposes upon him, upon all of us.
So, It's not a Western.
No. Is there something wrong?
We should leave now.
Actually, no. Come here. I'd actually like to apologise on behalf of my husband.
Apologise?
Yeah, I'm afraid he's been staring at your pants.
Oh, for God's sake, Molly. I'm sorry about my wife. She's had too much sun.
No, on the contrary, it's my husband who's been affected by the heat. But a little bit of advice for you. Next time you're sunbathing on the heath, you might want to be a bit more careful. It's full of perverts. Pack up the things, we're going now.
I'm really very sorry. I should...
Were you really looking at me?
Yes. Yes, I was.
Well, that is quite frightening.
Oh, God, this is... Look, I'm gonna... I really am very sorry. She gets very jealous.
When you stare at other girls' underwear?
Well, I don't very often stare, but... Yeah, I suppose in such a circumstance she would manifest jealousy.
And what about you?
Me?
Yeah. Are you the jealous type?
Oh, God, no. Molly can stare at who she likes. It's fine.
Really?
Well, apart from Jude Law, but that's more of a talent issue. Look, I really am very, very sorry.
Would you like to look again?
Sorry?
Would you like to have another look?
Sorry, another look
Yes.
at...
We all need a look now and again, like Merceau in the heat.
Yes. Like... Merce. Is that the right thing to...
Why not? You're welcome.